Good morning, folks. Happy Friday. Today in advisory, it's very exciting. You will be selecting your courses for next year, and you'll be completing your 4-year plan for the rest of the years that you have left in high school. I know that sounds like a daunting task, but we're going to try to make it as easy as possible for you. First off, you need to make sure that you have your course selection page with your name on it. This was specifically printed out for third period teachers. And so if you don't have these, they are in your teacher's box. And you'll need your computer. The phone will not work nearly as well. So you definitely need a computer. You're going to go to clever.com, log in with your Dallas ISD ID, and then go to SchooLinks. Now, I know a lot of people want to call this SchooLinks, but as you can see, the word is clearly SchooLinks. SchooLinks. And when you get to SchooLinks, you should see something like this. Make sure that everybody is on this page before we move on. I'm going to take you step by step through this process, and if you need to pause or rewind or rewatch any part of the video, you can. Also, these steps are written out in the next slide. So whichever way you want to do it, just make sure that you follow these steps. So first, you're going to go over here to Submit Course Plan under February 2024. Click Submit Course Plan, and then go to Feature. You'll see something that says Current Plan, and then you'll just click Complete Plan, and that will show you this screen. So I want you to notice this bar right up here at the top. All right, that bar represents all of the different sections that you're going to be filling out. So this first one is your endorsements and programs of study. The next one, though, are school subjects. So that's English, math, science, social studies, health, physical education, language other than English or computer programming, fine arts, electives, alternate courses, and then at the end, the summary will show you all of what you've chosen. Click Let's Go. And you're going to choose a endorsement or a program of study. Now, this is a demo account, so you may already have one of these chosen, but I'm going to go ahead and choose one for now. And I'm going to choose, just for fun, the engineering pathway. If this choice isn't made for you, make sure you think carefully about which pathway you want to take. Okay, you'll click one, and then you'll click Continue. And then for each subject, you will choose your next classes, not just next year's class, but the years after as well.
But Mr. Hall, how do I know what classes I'm supposed to take?
Well, I'm glad you asked. This is when you're going to go to the paper course selection sheet that was supposed to be given to you. These sheets are going to tell you all of the classes that you should choose for the 2024-2025 school year. So you'll notice that the counselor has recommended that this person take English 3, Algebra 2, Honors Physics, and then U.S. History. And then this next row will tell you what of the other requirements you still need to complete or have already completed. So it looks like I still need to get a couple of credits in a language other than English. I need my half credit of health, but I've already completed my physical education credits. I've also completed my fine arts credit. So yours may look different, but it should tell you exactly what you need to take for next year. Now that will at least get you into the next course, but how do I know what course to take the year after that? Well, English is pretty easy. There's English 3, and then you would choose English 4 because you need 4 credits of English. And then once you have all that filled out, you should see, oh look, my requirements for my 4-year plan are met. So remember to not only request the course for next year, but to complete all 4 years. If you're a 9th grader, you'll need to do 10th, 11th, and 12th. If you're a 10th grader, you'll just need to do 11th and 12th, and so on. If you get confused as to which course is next in a series of courses, I have something for that as well. If you go to Longhorn Country, go over to Advisory, and there you will find a list of 3 different pathways and all 4 of their levels in each subject. So the first one is just the W.T. White Comprehensive. That's what most people are in. The next one describes which advanced placement courses there are to offer. And then the one down below that talks about the CTE pathway. So this chart should tell you exactly what class comes next so that you can choose all 4 years, not just the next year. So you'll continue to do that through the rest of the subjects. I've moved on to math. Notice that I've taken geometry honors and advanced quantitative reasoning. I think that I can probably take algebra 2 honors or AP pre-cal, depending on what I want to do. Then I'm going to do the same for science, and so on and so forth. Once you finish your plan, you should be able to see the entire thing on the last tab of the summary page. After you're done here, you click Submit Plan. There might be an error message, something like this, but don't worry about fixing the errors, okay? It says, or submit it and explain the errors below. On this, just write, I will talk to my counselor, because they are ultimately going to be the ones who are helping you out and actually submitting your course requests to the official thing. But for now, you write that and you click Submit Plan and you are done-ski. Everyone finished with this should have a course plan and it says done right there. I think it might not do that for me because I'm in a demo. But that is what we are working on. We're working on our 4-year plans. Make sure to use your course sheet for next year and the thing on the advisory tab in Longhorn Country to find out what classes you need to take. Make sure you submit your plan even if there are errors. And then when the counselors meet with you over the next few weeks to actually choose your courses, it'll be so much smoother because you will have already done this part. If you need to, go back to whatever sections of this or rewind or rewatch, but there are also all of the steps written out on the next slide. Good luck, be good to yourself and others, and I'll see you real soon.